couple times that we've gone camping, we haven't been able to have a campfire because of fire restrictions. So I picked up this propane fire pit because they're still allowed. Let's get it unboxed and see how it compares to the real thing.
You like campfires? Take this campfire with you anywhere, safely. It's the BAIDE Home Portable Propane Fire Pit. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and well, this won't take long to put together at all. You've got the fire pit with matching lid and a 10-foot long connector hose for the propane tank. Now all that's left to do is put it together. The fire pit itself is constructed out of what appears to be mild steel, with a very nice powder-coated finish. That will ensure it won't go rusty after just one season. Those of us that have had wrought iron braziers know that extreme heat plus moisture in the air equals horrible-looking orange rust all over your fire pit. It's not a bad size either, coming in at 14.5 inches high and 16 inches in diameter. Easily small enough to throw in the trunk of your car or the bed of your pickup truck to take away camping or tailgating. Looking inside, the burner's made of 304 grade stainless steel, providing excellent corrosion resistance. And it's got some nice looking blue glass for a bit of color. There are a pair of handles on the outside, a welcome feature for a product touted as portable. It's got an electric igniter clicker design and only requires one hand to get started. The flame can be adjusted from low to high, altering the heat output to whatever you find comfortable. The removable lid is pretty handy too, enabling the fire pit to double as a side table for putting drinks or food on when not in use. All that's left to do now is fire up this puppy. Connect the hose from the fire pit to a standard 20-pound propane tank. Full disclosure, and it may go without saying, but the propane tank is not included. Turn on the propane, flick the ignition switch, and we got fire, baby. So, what do we like about the BAIDE Home Portable Propane Fire Pit? It's a simple yet elegant design that's easy to set up and doesn't look out of place left in your courtyard. The fire pit took only a few minutes from unboxing to keeping the chill from our bones, so a big green tick for ease of use. The fact that it comes with a lid is great. It keeps the inside from filling up with water when it rains and gives you back a little bit of real estate when you're looking for somewhere to rest your beer. So, what don't we like? We have a few small criticisms. We would have preferred if there were a big enough volume of blue glass to completely cover the burner. Now, we know what you're thinking. Just go out and buy a little more so it's covered. But the thing is, the lid fits so tightly that space is lacking, and you'll lose the utility of having your extra side table. A word of warning, toasting goodies in the backyard is fun and all, but eventually you'll have a molten chunk of marshmallow fall in. It's only a matter of time. The cleanup, as you can imagine, is a bit of a nightmare. Luckily, the stainless steel burner is easy enough to wipe off, but getting gooey marshmallow out of the blue glass will take some time. And a few choice words as you mutter to yourself, never again. But enough from me, let's talk to Matt and find out what he thought.
I love this thing, guys. This fire pit, I have the flame turned down right now, but as you saw in the video, it gets really, really big. I mean, this thing could probably double as a flamethrower. The size makes it perfect for throwing in the back of the pickup truck or the RV. The handles makes it easy to carry. It's lightweight. I mean, the only issue I see with portability really is the glass and top, and I think as long as you leave the cover on it, you're gonna be good to go. This thing's a winner in my book.
Thank you, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the BAIDE Home Portable Propane Fire Pit? Talk about multifunctional. You can take it to tailgates in the fall, to camping trips in the summer, and leave it in your backyard all year round. It's a great option for camping when you're concerned about sparks from your campfire starting a forest fire. No spark worries with this. We're giving it a 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got two options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $118.78. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.